Yesterday, my mom got me this from Walmart. It's a Beyblade vs. Rise Stadium set. This is the front. It has the two bays, Prime Apocalypse and Golden Judgment Joker. No, I didn't read that off the box. I knew what they were. And then we have the stadium right here. There's two ways to battle, obviously. If you would want to see the back, of course, we have here the parts of the Beyblades, Prime Apocalypse. He's an attack type, and Golden Judgment Dragon, a balance type. Prime Apocalypse comes with the GT chips and spins right, and it's an attack type, the layer. And we have the Zero disc and the TH26 disc, and you can see its stats right here. High movement, but not very long spin time. And then Golden Judgment Dragon, we have the chip, the balance type layer. We have D16 for the disc and TH11 for the driver. And here's the stadium. You can see comes with you. Of course, you can battle two ways, and then they come with the two ways to battle right here. And then also, if you have the app, I'll show you the code for the stadium and the Beyblades if you don't have them yet in that Beyblade Burst app. So let's get into it. So you see how while we open it straight away, you can see the stadium. And yeah, the Beyblades are still in. Here, we'll get into that later. Here we have the stadium, of course. Comes with the cover for it, so the Beyblades don't launch out. Here we go. So, of course, we have this first way to battle. Beyblade is just a normal battle stadium, and then we have this, the second way. Just easily stick it in, just like that, and yeah. Yeah, it takes a little bit of work. It'll take a little screwing, but it doesn't take that long. Of course, we have the stickers. I don't think I want to put them on because I don't like stickers that much, but I'll keep them because they look cool. Now we can get into this. Over here we have the parts to connect the stadium. Now, if you ask me what I'm going to use the most, I'm probably going to keep this on because I'm not going to take it off. But if I'm bored, I'll take it off, yes. Parts to fix the stadium. First launcher with the string. I'm really happy that they made the string straight. It makes everything easier. Oh yeah, with the Beyblade vs. Rise launcher specifically. Forgot to mention, yeah, this is from Hasbro. Here we have the second launcher, and here we have the parts. See, the Zero disc, the TH26, TH11, and I forgot what the disc was called, but that's not important. So lastly, we have the Beyblade in here. If I can just reach them, I'll get them. And here we have the two Beyblade Burst Rise layers. Got Prime Apocalypse out. Here, a closer look. And the code, I'll show you it in a sec. Let me just take the GT chip out. There it is, and the code is, this is the code, if you want to see it. Okay, put that back in. Now we have Golden Judgment Dragon. Here we go, Golden Judgment Dragon. A really nice bay. They did good on it. Then if you want the code, GT chip as always, and the code on the back for the app. Okay, there we go. We have the two Beyblades. Now let's get into setting them up with the parts. Right here. Okay. Prime Apocalypse's driver and the disc. For Prime Apocalypse, the zero disc is right here. If I can get it out. There we go. Prime Apocalypse, disc, and driver. This is what he looks like.
Good idea, Sally. Bye.
Okay. And at the end of the video, I'll give you the code for the, the stadium. This time I'll get the disc out first for Golden Judgment Dragon. Golden Judgment Dragon, disc on, and then driver. There we go. We have them both right here next to each other, side by side. Closer look to Golden Judgment Dragon. And yeah. Now before we end, we have to give you the code real quick, yes. But let's end it with a quick battle between the two Beyblades. And yeah. Now they both should be right spinning, I hope. Yes, they are. Both in the launcher. 3, 2, 1. Now we can see that Golden Judgment Dragon is definitely stronger than Prime Apocalypse. But, yeah. So, that's the end. And last but not least, of course, with the code for the stadium, right here, under my finger, no, on top of my finger, see the code? If you can't see it, I'm sorry about that. But, yeah, that's basically the end. So, thanks for watching.